So let's go.
To stretch out our back, we will start off with the cat stretch. This is where you go onto your knees and arms and arch and arc your back. Push your back as far as possible to receive the best possible stretch. Repeat the sequence 8 times. Then fold your back into a child's pose position to rest out your back. Once you've completed the stretch and loosened up your back muscles, go into a seal position on your elbows and try to push your back as far as possible. Then, rise up onto your arms and push your chest forward to further stretch out your back. Hold this position for 20 seconds. Then, still in the seal position, circle your body around and try to lean your back as far as possible during the process. Repeat this circle 4 times in each direction. Then lean back in a seal position and connect your feet with your head. Hold that position. Hold this position for 20 seconds. Then reach upwards with one of your hands and lean it backwards to the opposite leg, trying to reach it. Repeat this 12 times, trying to get closer and closer to your leg as you complete more and more repetitions. Then, complete the same sequence on the other hand. Also repeat it 12 times. Then, attempt to do the same thing but with both of your hands simultaneously, reaching as far back as possible. Try to keep your balance as you repeat the sequence 10 times. Then, once again, stretch out your back in a child's pose. Now that we've warmed up our back, we will start to do some bridges, starting off with some bridges from the floor. Complete 2 repetitions, holding the bridge each time. Next, as a preparation for bridges from standing, we're going to do some bridges from the knees. So get on your knees and reach up, then lean back into a bridge position. Repeat this sequence 5 times. Then sit down and attempt to twist into a bridge. Do this from both sides and try to come back down the same way as you got into the position. Repeat this 2 times on each side. Then find a suitable wall surface and walk down into a half bridge position. Then come back up. Once you've repeated this a few times, go down all the way into a full bridge position. Then come back up. This is to get used to the feeling of going down into a bridge. The next step is to getting a bridge from standing, is to do a bridge onto an elevated surface such as a couch. Then, attempt to get back up. Repeat this exercise until you can confidently do it. Then, you can attempt to do a bridge from standing, spreading your legs out wide and leaning back. Then, to get back up, rock forward and backwards, then get the momentum to get up. If you are not ready to go completely down into the bridge yet, get someone to support you as you go down. Repeat 3 times. So that brings today's video to an end. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. We have exciting videos planned for you, so stay tuned.